Youth and Government, a youth program supported by the YMCA, is dedicated to transforming lives through civic engagement and education. Teens are empowered to find their voice and develop leadership skills to be active and engaged servant leaders. On February 18 and 19, students in grades 9 through 12 took part in the annual mock trial court hearings at the Clark County Courthouse. Participants engage with the legal system and in trial advocacy in a variety of roles, including attorneys and witnesses, in a mock trial competition.
And usually you only have, in these cases, about 8 witnesses. And they rotate back and forth between civil and criminal cases on a yearly basis. But the problems come out every October, and teams of students at various schools, high schools throughout the state and throughout the nation for that matter, get these problems, and they work together in a group of a mix of students who will be acting as attorneys, others who will be acting as witnesses, and they are supported by a faculty member, a teacher at the school, but then also one or more attorneys who actually coaches them.
Students met weekly to explore real-life case law. They learned about the various roles in courtrooms, researched law, and memorized their part for the trial competition.
I am an attorney for my team, and I am on the prosecution side. And I have done a lot of research, a lot of book research, online research, to prepare me for being an attorney, and yeah, everything for that. And then I play a witness on the same team, and again, there's been a lot of, I have to read a bunch of statements to prepare for that and do stuff like that. So that's been a lot of work, but it's been really fun.
Students are supported by faculty members and actual attorneys who help prepare them for trial. In the courtroom, attorneys sit in the jury section and rate each school on performance.
They've got rating sheets. They use numerical grading to rate the students on their various performances, each aspect of the trial. So when we get done with our competition, the YMCA puts together, they compute all the scores, and they determine which teams got the highest rankings. So our top 3 teams then go on to the state tournament, which takes place in March up in Olympia.
Some students participating in the mock trials plan to study law in college following graduation.
I've been looking in a lot of places, and law is very appealing to me. I plan to go to law school after college, so I am seriously looking into it. But it's also very rewarding to be able to go and do this thing that I will love after the fact, and just enjoy myself and get that experience.
26 teams throughout Washington State participated in the mock trial competition. The winner will go on to national competition.
It's realistic in terms of, preparation, in terms of reading a witness's statement and then determining what questions you want to ask to elicit particular types of information from the witness, to get up there and present the case, to argue legal issues in front of a judge, and then present the case both in terms of opening and closing in front of a jury.
For more information about the mock trial competition or to submit an interest form for next year, visit seattleymca.org/programs/youth programs/youth government.